Hello, I'm Seerath and today I'm here to discuss preview mode in Google Tag Manager. Now, the question arises that why do we need preview mode in the first place? Let's say that I make some changes and now I want to test them that whether they are working or not. I cannot directly push them live through submit because then if there is some error that will also be live. So this is the reason that we have preview mode. It helps us to debug our container and it helps us to check whether all the changes are working or not. And we can do it before pushing it live because we can check these changes on our own system and nobody else can see them as for now. So here I have created some tags. So we will see them in preview mode again. So first of all, let's go to preview mode. Yeah. So now our website is connected. We click continue. This is what preview mode looks like. First of all, we have the name of the container, the ID of the container basically, and it's same. We should check this always so that we know that we are debugging the right container. Then we have summary, and in summary, we have tags. Now we saw these tags previously here. Yes, these are our tags and they're also visible here. So we can see the summary of the tags here. We can see the variables. Variables are not visible in the summary section because they keep changing their values. Then we have data layer, we have consent, and we have errors. And on the left side, we have events. So we can click each event and view its desired tags, variables, and data layer. So yeah, let me just open the website here. In the summary, we see that GA4 tag is fired, but scroll event tag is not fired because we have not scrolled on our website right now. But if I go to the website here and I scroll, so you see that the scroll event is now coming in fired. Summary basically gives us the overview of what is happening on our website. And now the scroll event tag is fired and it is showing here. If we keep scrolling, see the number of times it is fired is increased. And here we have events. And if we click on a particular event, we can see that for initialization, no tag was fired and we can see the variables. We were not able to see the variables in summary because the variable value keeps on changing. But if we go to a particular event, we see the variables and the value keeps changing, we go to scroll depth. So scroll depth threshold is undefined here right now on initialization. But if we go to scroll depth, see, we have a value. The value changed according to the action that we did on our website. Currently, it is showing 10. If I click this, it will show 20. I click this, it will show me 5. It just keeps on updating according to whatever we do. So this is our preview mode, and we also have the option to share the preview mode. Like we want somebody else to help us with this debugging session. So we can do it from here and copy the link. And yes, we also have an option to like, let's say that if I go to overview, I have done some changes here, and if I wish to abandon any of that change, I can do that. Like if I think that it is not relevant anymore and I just want it back to normal, so I can abandon the change. And if I go to version, here I have two versions currently, and we are previewing this one. So we can also go here and click respective to the version that we want to preview, and we will have the option to preview the older version also. One more thing to keep in mind, that if we make some changes here, this will not automatically refresh. We'll have to connect it again for it to reflect the changes that we have done. So yeah, this is preview mode. It helps us to understand what is working, what is not working, and when it is working. Thank you.